Hi guys, let's learn COUNTIFS function in Google Sheets. So this function is very useful in those cases if we want to count the number of values which satisfies a particular condition. So let's say we want to find how many of the rows have reason as east and product as gadgets. Okay, or let's say reason as south and product as gadgets. How many of these conditions are there? Here this is the first, this is not the condition, and this is not meeting the condition. Let's say this is meeting the condition. So there are 3, 1, 2 and 3. But how to do it with COUNTIFS? Okay, so in COUNTIFS, start the bracket. First parameter will be the criteria range 1. You can have multiple criterias. For the sake of example, we are using only 2 criterias. The criteria range 1. So first we'll take the criteria of the reason, put comma, and we'll type the criteria. We can type directly south here, okay, the criteria, or we can create those criteria in a field and just select that field, because it will be very easy, because once we change it, it automatically changes the value. So select it, then put comma. Now the criteria range 2 is this, put comma, and then the criteria is gadgets, close the bracket, hit enter, and there are only 2. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.